Hello. So in previous module we have seen what is a voltage. Now in this module we are going to understand what is an electric current. It is indicated by a quantity small I as shown over here. So an electric current I can be produced as shown. Suppose you have a voltage source and across this voltage source you connect a resistive element R. Therefore the circuit gets closed and you have a current that flows through this network or the circuit, and this current is indicated by a small letter I. Now the definition of current is an electric current is the flow of moving particles through a conductor as shown in this figure. This wire is a conductor, piece of conductor. So an electric current is the flow of moving particles through a conductor or a space, and those moving particles can be electrons, holes, or ions. Now these moving particles are called as charge carriers because they carry charge with them. For example, electrons carry negative charges, holes, which is also called as deficiency of electrons, carry positive charges, and ions, they can carry positive or negative charges. So this current I has a unit called as ampere, and it can be written as equal to Q over T, where T is time and Q is an electric charge. So 1 ampere current, if the circuit carries 1 ampere current, we can say that it is a 1 coulombs of charge per second that is flowing through the circuit.